KUBO build and manage complete sustainable greenhouse projects. Right next to our head office, you can find our production areas. We are the only one who manufactures the complete greenhouses ourselves. With our new high-tech machines, we deliver the best quality. The complete greenhouses are shipped from our logistics center. We have almost a century of experience in building greenhouses. We have building glass houses since 1945. With our own specialized construction platforms, we built a complete project in a short time. Growing crops in a controlled environment is becoming more and more important. We built the greenhouse close to the highly populated cities. During the day, the plants enjoy free energy, our own sun. The LED lights make sure that the plants grow during the night. Sustainable high-tech screens ensure that people living in the area do not have to worry about this. Innovative systems give the highest hygienic level of crop handling and higher yields. Co-generators provide not only electricity but also the necessary heat that the crops need. On top of that, the exhaust gases are purified. The carbon dioxide is separated from the flue gas and introduced to the crops as additional feed for growing. We not only build your greenhouse, but we also train your team, from cultivation manager to greenhouse employee. The people of the Netherlands are very experienced in areas like transport and water management. Save water, cut energy, reduce CO2.